Hey guys, SikhStar97 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a server for Minecraft 1.4.2. Now first you want to go to Minecraft.net and go to where it says play Minecraft, click download. It says multiplayer server, download the Minecraft Server.exe, and when we're doing this tutorial, when trying to load this doesn't work, try the Minecraft Server.jar. So once you've downloaded that, we can get started in creating our server. Now to actually load this server is actually really simple. You just double click that file we just downloaded and it should load this thing called Minecraft Server. Start in Minecraft Server version 1.4.2 and it should load a lot of files and a folder. So I'll resume the video when that's finished downloading. And that's done. It should say here done and say like something in seconds, and that tells you that our server's been successfully loaded. So what you can do now is just close this. So that was pretty simple. I'm just going to talk to you about what these files are and how you can manipulate them to make your server your own server. So firstly, this folder called world. It's just the world they've created. You just replace this with whatever world you want to use and just rename that folder that you have the world files in world, exactly like this, and it should work fine. Banned IPs, you just add any IPs of anyone you want to ban. Banned players is their username, so same principle just with their username. This is obviously the thing you load to load server. Ops are the name of people, their username, that are allowed to run commands. Server you do not touch, it's just like a log in a sense. Server.properties is pretty much the whole properties of the whole server we'll be looking at later. And whitelist is a list of people. If you add their username to this, they're the only people that can join. So if you put, let's say, my username there, I'm the only person that can join. But if I put my friends, only me and my friend can join this server. Now one of these files, as I said before, it was called Server.properties, which is a very important file because it's the main settings of your server. And it's .properties file, so you need to open it with something like Notepad. And to find out what all of these are, I'll tell you a few now, but to know what each of these are and how you can change them, just come to this link which will be in the description below, and it just tells you exactly what everything is. So allow flight allows users to fly in survival mode, so you just see this and edit it as you want. Now to know how to edit these, look at that wiki page I said before, but there's a few I want to stress. The first one is level name, which says equals world. Where it says world, that needs to match the folder name here with the saves in. So if that was called tomato or something, that needs to be tomato and match it so it works. Next one is server port. Keep it as that's the default Minecraft port and you don't want to change that. Next one is server IP. You want to leave that blank. I haven't got a good reason why, but when you put that to something, it like 50% of the time it doesn't work. So keep that blank. Whitelist you need to set to true if you want to make this whitelist function work. And last one's online mode to true. That needs to be set to true so that people can join it. So if that's set to false, no one in like a different part of the country or different city can join it. Only you need to set it to online, so like say your friends can join. But everything else, look at that wiki page to know how to edit. So when you want to load your server, you just double click that. It will load that dialog. Once it says done, that means your server is successfully loaded and ready for you and your friends to join. So that's how you create a server for Minecraft 1.4.2, and in the next video I'll be showing you how to join your own server as well as another person's server. Thanks for watching.